Guys, so the IPOs have opened. CAMS IPO, candle number one. So this is the first one. So then, and this is candle number one. That was really fast. 95%, 5663 to 749. So sell against margin 25 I'm doing, guys. So I've started by selling 25 ChemCon roughly, and stop loss I'll keep wide for the moment. Opened at 742. I'm keeping at about 800 for the moment. ChemCon 800 I'm keeping wide. Place and confirm, and I see there is a 1 day 1 minute, so there is a selling pressure coming on this one 629, and on CAMS also there is a selling pressure coming up, so I'm selling about 100 CAMS. I'm 20 15 20. Wait a minute, this is a little volatile, so I'll sell about 100. Yeah, 100 CAMS I have shorted. Stop loss not here, it has to be wide. I'll keep it at 1575. And square of 1575. 1575. This is CAMS I have. Focusing on these two IPOs. Some selling coming in CAMS. Just look at the trends. I think 20 minutes there is action. 20 minutes there is action, and let's look at the trends that are developing. So it is establishing a downtrend, high, lower high, and a lower high. So till the time the downtrend is intact, I don't have to do anything. Similarly, in ChemCon, also there is a downtrend that is getting established. ChemCon somehow net position. ChemCon is giving me 1,000 rupees, but somehow this ChemCon I'm not very comfortable. So I have got out of ChemCon, book profit on this, and or in 630 to 681. Here I'm a little, I'll come back to this again. CAMS is, I can change the stop loss. This was the one which was fundamentally weak, remember? So here I will change my stop loss to 1560, and I'm adding 50 more in CAMS. Looking at the trend, I'm adding 50 more in CAMS with a stop loss at 1575 only I'll keep. So in CAMS, I am modify. I made it 150, guys. Stop loss 1575. So I've taken a risk of about 10,000 rupees on this one. Okay. This is ChemCon. This is stabilized here. So there's normally a reversal that goes almost to this level. So I've got out for the moment. I'll enter into it again if it establishes a downtrend. In fact, I can open both together. दोनों खोल देते हैं. On the right side is CANS, where I have positions. Left side I have ChemCon. This is ChemCon. Right side I have CANS. And we have taken the base as, so I'm out of CANS, I'm out of ChemCon, and I'm into CANS. CANS is what I have shorted. So this is going in my favor. 1 day, 1 minute chart. And we know CANS is a more weaker one. CANS is a more weaker one. So keep an eye on the trend. High, lower high. So we'll keep an eye on the trend here. And every 1 minute I'll be watching. It is 7 minutes into the IPO now. This one now I can, if I want, I can have an entry here again with a strict stop loss here, 36 rupees. So I can have 2000 divided by 36. About 55 I can short this one now. ChemCon, I'm selling 55. Back. Stop loss strict 680. 680. So I'm making a 17,000 rupees in CANS now. Good time to sell half. 75 I have taken away. Okay, so 8,000 left here in this. And here, keep an eye on the downside as long as the downside is intact. Sorry guys, full focus here. I am still into the trade. So CANS is now 10% up. It was 33% up. What was our main strategy for shorting CANS? Yes, guys, what was our main strategy for shorting CANS? I think in CANS, I will take out more. CANS square of 50 more I'm taking out in CANS. I have booked a profit of 15,000 rupees in CANS now. And more or less, I think this move is now finished. So I'm finishing. I booked a profit of 19,451 rupees in CANS shorting. How did you like the trade, guys? I love to short IPO, especially when you combine. And now this is a good time. I can say square of all NSE. CANS is still going down, but I think I've made enough into it. So orders, cancel all. Everything cancel, no pending. So nice profit of 20,000 rupees in 10 minutes.